Electrical accidents happen in one moment. You probably think about electrical safety as a bunch of rules and regs. Some of it seems like red tape, a chore you have to do over and over again, even though you haven't had anything go wrong before. But what if you looked at it differently? Just think. That one moment is all it takes for normal to get flipped upside down. Take Luke here. What's he thinking about? Production? Project hours? His next break? The first moment ticks by. He's fine. Another moment, just doing his job. But the next moment... His life will never be the same. After that one moment, all anyone can ask is, why did this happen? And everybody involved is wishing they could go one moment back in time. The sad reality is there's one worker out there every day who dies on the job site when they could have been perfectly safe by following proper protocol. How do you ensure everyone's safety when you work with a force as potent and deadly as electricity? Shouldn't code, consensus standards, rules and regulations take care of all of that? For the sake of workers like Luke, just one incident, one moment away from serious injury or death, we need to reframe the way that we look at electrical safety.
So let's get this done together. Look, we know you're legally obligated to take this course, but we're not taking shortcuts just to meet compliance. This course is designed for you, and its focus is squarely on your safety. We want you to get this. We're tackling electrical safety and turning it upside down. Instead of rewriting technical jargon that's been written and rewritten ad nauseum, we're taking 10,000 pages of regulations, cutting out the nerd speak, and showing you how it relates to your work life. And we're using real workers, real injuries, and real job sites to do it.
So beneath all the tired words like safety, regulation, requirement, and code, this course is made to keep you alive. It's designed to keep you from being like Luke. Luke should have been using PPE to create an electrically safe work condition prior to starting the task. He wasn't. And he should have disconnected the power. He didn't. He worked with energized lines and without PPE. But it gets worse. Luke missed out on the last couple of maintenance cycles. The equipment was old, and he wasn't focused on using hazard risk control methods. By working energized without PPE in this environment, Luke's luck only went so far. We can't compute for luck, but we can eliminate the possibility of injury by concentrating on that one moment. And by that we mean paying attention and being prepared for each and every moment. This is about training you to be alert and on top of your game, one moment after the next.
Hopefully, you don't see similarities between Luke's approach and your own. But the stats say you might. Not everyone will perfectly adhere to all proper safety precautions. And that's part of the reason this course is required by law. We went all out in the making of this course to make sure it isn't the same old PowerPoint with a voiceover, checkbox ticking slog you're used to. We went on location to industrial facilities where incidents might be only one moment away. We've leveraged a crew of advanced multimedia storytellers and safety experts to make this life-saving information relatable and entertaining. while still pounding into your heads the proper and improper ways to work. You'll have hands-on exercises at the end of each section, so you can demonstrate your knowledge through field-based tasks and mock projects. And we'll sit down with survivors who share their own stories of past incidents. We'll have breakout sections where you'll hear interviews with position-based experts with hundreds of years of combined experience who will help navigate more complicated topics. Motion graphics will help you clearly visualize and understand the most complex discussions, along with some EBSCO original acronyms and analogies to sear the information into your brains. You're in good hands. EBSCO has walked over 30,000 miles in industrial plants, helping thousands of facilities with electrical safety. We're licensed to complete arc flash studies in all 50 states and have trained tens of thousands of individuals over the past decade. Our group is committed to zero electrical fatalities by 2030 through the use of safety, diligence, and collaboration.
Thank you for including us in your electrical safety efforts. Please remove all distractions while taking this course. If you haven't yet, register for the course and download the supporting documents for certification.
We look forward to seeing you in the next couple of modules, where we'll provide an overview of the hazards, risks, and controls of electricity. It's all made to prevent that one moment in time from being your last.